8335B plus 33KF Lightning Fold is Doomer's versatile digital finisher. The Lightning Fold operates creasing and folding up to 6,300 sheets per hour. Finish multiple applications such as letters, leaflets, brochures, menus in a single pass. Lightning Fold also offers a variety of optional modules such as rotary tools, cross perforator bar that can be easily matched and removed to create a wider range of applications such as micro perforated tickets, scored greeting cards. For reliable fitting, production begins from the air suction feed system, which features a front guide adjustment and an air gate adjustment. Sheets are lined and conveyed to 33KF, which is a fold unit. The steel bars and glass bars on the 33KF feeding table can make it stable during the conveying. Operating sheets from 100 grams to 350 grams and up to 650 millimeters. The friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to use when choosing different types of folding, such as half fold, letter fold, gate fold, offset fold, double fold, gate 2 fold, Z fold. When a folding type is selected as bypass, the Lightning Fold system will only work as a creaser. The A335B, which is a crease unit of Lightning Fold system, is able to operate individually. The speed goes up to 8,000 sheets per hour in this case, and the more optional modules will be available, such as narrow fitting set designed for a much smaller infeed size, partial perforator for the particular section of sheet with partial perforation. For more information, please contact Doomer Automation or visit doomer.cn. Thank you for watching.